If you are looking to maintain a healthy diet during your pregnancy drink recipes, juices may be a good idea. Why should I drink juice while I'm pregnant? Eating fresh fruits and vegetables is always recommended and is essential when you are pregnant. This is not always a pleasant experience while you are pregnant. You may be struggling nausea, you may feel bloated and you do not want to eat at all. The best alternative to make sure that both you and your baby still get the nutrition they need and do not feel dehydrated is by having a little juice. Pregnancy drink recipes. During pregnancy, you can make some fresh juice every day depending on what vegetables and fruits you like, and what is available depending on the season. Take a look at the 9 best pregnancy drink recipes. Juices. 1. Orange juice. Orange juice is loaded with nutrients and can act as your natural protection against colds and flu. Orange is very good in preventing the flu and it will help the need for any kind of medication while you are pregnant. Orange juice is also a good way to maintain high immunity levels. It is a rich source of vitamin C and also contains a certain amount of potassium. 2. Carrot juice. Carrots are a great way to increase the sight of your unborn baby. It will also help cleanse your liver and cleanse your body of any toxins. Carrot juice is a rich source of vitamins A and E. This will keep your skin healthy and shiny. These vitamins are also good for maintaining nail health and helping them to get brittle. Carrot juice is also a good natural ingredient that will help you fight the excessive hair fall that is primarily associated with pregnancy. It will also prevent any health problems you may have due to a fluctuation of the thyroid gland. 3. Beetroot juice. Having beetroot juice when you are pregnant will help boost your energy. It will give you the necessary strength needed as your pregnancy progresses. Beetroot juice is loaded with iron, so consuming this juice will help avoid any conditions of anemia. This particular vegetable has incredible fiber content, which means it is ideal for your digestive system. Consuming this juice will also help remove all the toxins from your body and also purify your blood. 4. Apple juice. Apple juice is a great way to prevent any unnecessary weight gain during and after your pregnancy. Having apple juice will aid in the growth and development of your unborn baby's brain. It is also a great source of iron and will help prevent any condition of anemia in you. 5. Peach juice. Peach juice is very high in iron and potassium content. This juice will prevent your chances of having anemia during pregnant. Peach juice can help remove toxins from your body and cleanse the bladder and kidney. This is a natural way to prevent any case of kidney stones when you are pregnant. Peach juice will also prevent constipation, blood-related problems or indigestion during pregnancy. 6. Strawberry juice. Having strawberry juice will help add a natural sheen to your skin while you are pregnant. It has a very high water content and will help prevent dehydration. This juice has soluble fiber which is very important and good for pregnant heart. It also contains folate, which is extremely essential during pregnancy for both you and your unborn baby. 7. Lemon juice. Lemon juice contains several healthy nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins and more. It also contains minerals, folic acid, zinc and calcium that are good for you and your baby. Drinking lemon juice can help fight nausea naturally. 8. Coconut water. It is not essentially a juice. Coconut water is one of the healthier fruit-based drinks you can have during pregnancy. It helps prevent any concern about dehydration and can combat exhaustion by giving your body some natural energy. 9. Grape juice. Drinking grape juice while pregnant can fight against heartburn, keep your blood pressure under control, prevent or treat constipation and help with migraine attacks. It can also help fight hair loss, which is a common complaint when you are pregnant. All these fruits and vegetables are loaded with health benefits that are very important to you and your baby. All of these are considered safe for consumption if your general health and pregnancy is normal and progresses smoothly. Consuming these juices will certainly prove helpful to you and your baby.